are trying to merge, but the margin is not the deal has not been concluded.
So there is difference between Diamond and Access now.
Bank. But
so for now, you know, if you know if you call them Access Diamond.
You can, if you call them Access Diamond, there is a place where they will split the two. You won't know where to go.
That's why I tell you now.
But alone, it won't go. But right, Diamond,
you no understand wetin me dey talk. My mother talk say
na Diamond,
na
Access Diamond.
But now when they join now, they bring and they
Access Diamond.
They dey together, but there's still Access Bank on its own. But you say I should click on Access Bank.
But for now, if you click Access Diamond, you go see am.
There's no Access Diamond. You see that they separate it. It's Diamond.
Click Access now.
See, Diamond is down. Access Bank, real Access is up. Yes. If I click on Access now, it will tell me something went wrong. But if I click on Diamond, it will just bring out what I want. Okay. But there are some bank that slash it, Access Diamond.
Into two.
Yes.
Make you check Access now. If no work for Access.
Access no go work. Let's go to Diamond.
If you check Diamond,
let's go Diamond. They argue with Mama. He was very stupid.
Give me your account number.